I promise you. Nope. One more. Follow me to the right, Or maybe you stay on that side if you can see him.
Oh, yeah.
Is he dead inside, maybe? There's maybe a dead guy inside?
I don't see a dead body anyways.
I do.
That might be old, bro.
No, dead body.
Dead body?
Dead body. It looks like a freshie, maybe? Hold on, I'm gonna... I don't know. Bro didn't know how to turn auto hover on. Oh, dead zombie. Someone just killed a zombie. They're in the barracks on
Where?
the left. They're in the barracks, the 3 barracks. And what? Okay. All right. He's hurt. He is hurt. You saw him, huh?
Yep, I saw him.
All right. Well, we know where he is. He's stuck. I think it's here, let me in. Quick move. Thank you. Just keep an eye out for me, okay? What do you have?
Might not be alone. Just an AK.
Shit. See him? I'm gonna start clearing the zombies, okay?
I'm hitting him.
Where is he?
He's going back around the other side of the barracks.
Okay.
I need to change some settings real quick. Really?
I'm crossing over.
Yeah, you're coming up on him though.
Am I?
He's still in the barracks over there. He's not in the barracks, but he was behind the barrack. The last one. I don't see him anymore, dude. He's hurt though. I hit him.
Oh,
I hit him.
Sure hurt.
100%. Change some settings real quick.
God damn, how many zombies are fucking spawning on me?
I don't know where he went. He might have went back around the bottom. Did we pull up on Thrawn again?
I hope not.
Let's see him roll.
Yeah, and I don't really want to push by myself right now.
Where are you at?
I'm at the little police booth.
Okay. Damn, bro. Should I take the heli and get visual?
Yeah, that's a good idea, actually.
He might be pushing to me, I'm not sure.
Well, there's only one way to you.
Yep. I guess that's through you, huh?
Yeah, he either has to cross this bridge or swim. But if you make the move quick, you might be able to get to it. Just take the same route I told you. Take the same route I showed you if you can. 2nd floor, catwalk.
I'm on the ground floor already.
Oh, okay.
I'm nearly there.
No worries, I got most
kind
of
of
the
know
zombies
the
on me.
layout of this place, which helped a lot. Shaking, brother. Shaking.
You and me both.
Woo. Fuck me, dude.
You know what? I don't have the best kit either, so yeah, get that visual. Let's see what we got.
Ooh, I second and fucking breathe, my guy.
Bird.
What's up, brother?
You know, I dropped those bags earlier. Did you grab them?
Yeah, they're around the base.
Okay.
I put them in containers.
Okay, cool. I'll go and have a nose.
Alright, what do we got, Brossy? Give me some good news.
I don't see anything, bro.
He's probably hiding, trying to get his blood back and his health back.
He might be
Maybe.
still in that last.
That last bunker?
Maybe he healed and started swimming. I don't fucking know.
Got him.
Nice. He's dead.
Yep.
Told you.
Alright, go park that thing, go park that thing.
Without me.